How to set in quick access toolbar. This is need for the frequently using commands set as a toolbar. So need to some setting change in Access Microsoft Excel. So first I need to go click in File tab to access Backstage view, and in the navigation pane click the option tabs. The Excel option dialog box opens, or click Quick Access Toolbar ribbon. Now click More Commands. The Excel option dialog box will open. Click Quick Access Toolbar to display the quick access tools. Here in right side selected commands, and left side most using commands. You can select this commands and add to right side. This will shown in quick access toolbar. So you can select command or adding command as your requirement which you need frequently, and add this in right side to customize quick access toolbar. The list on the right side show the commands that are selected shown on the toolbar. Now press OK. To moving commands you open to the quick access toolbar. When you are done, click OK to apply your changes. Now you can use this commands in your working style as your requirement. In this way you can set your commands. Similarly, you can remove any command that you added to the toolbar. At any time you can reset the toolbar to its default setting. Thank you very much for watching video.